Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create split color text in Canva. As you can see right now we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? And now we are going to change the color of this template to like blue, my favorite color. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to add a text, add a heading, digital. Okay, position it into the center. It's done. Now we are going to create a new page, or we can duplicate this page as well, right? And here we are going to change the color to this one and the page color to white one. Now we are going to download this, and only the second page I want to download. I made a mistake. We need not to select the transparent background, right? So I have downloaded it once again. Okay, now we are going into the upload section, upload files, and upload the image that we have recently downloaded. Bring it forward. Let us arrange the size of this, right? Okay, and now look at the effect, right? It is looking nice. We can also split the colored text vertically as well as horizontally. So this is how you can simply create a split color text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button right now and subscribe to our YouTube channel right away to watch more videos like this. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.